Hi there, welcome to the freelancing tutorial series which is organized for the beginners who has interest to learn freelancing, data entry and lead generation skills. This is Ajhar Rafi, a professional freelancer providing data entry, web research and lead generation services to clients via freelance marketplace like Upwork, Fiverr and personal contracts. Before I tell more about the course, I would love to share a bit about me and some of my private informations like how much I am earning each month, an idea on how many clients I have worked with, how much I usually charge and how many running projects I have, etc. with you to prove that here is nothing to worry about any fake things and to ensure that you are going to learn from a skillful person on freelancing. Without further talk, let's dive into my professional profile on Upwork. I am going to log into my profile now. I have to enter my username and password. Now I'm being logged in. So here I am in my Upwork dashboard page and straightly going to my profile. Okay, so here it is loaded and here's my name and here's the job title. So I'm providing data entry, email list building, lead generation, web and LinkedIn research services to clients. And in Upwork I am a top rated freelancer and with 93% job success rate. And as you can see here, I have completed successfully 2689 working hours and 109 jobs completed. Total earned 30,000 plus US dollars and currently charging $10 per hour on any new contract. Okay, here you can see I have currently 25 jobs in progress. That means I'm currently working on 25 jobs. And now I'm going to show you my uh, monthly income from Upwork. I'm going to my overview page. And as you can see here, currently I have $1,291 available to withdraw, which is the income of the earning of this month. And here I have $351 in review. This will be added to my main balance here within few days. And here as you can see, my last payment was $2,856. So I'm going to the transaction history to show you my this month's income. Here by default it is in March 27 to April 26th, but I'm going to change here. I'm going to set it on April 1st to April 26th and going to show you how much I have earned so far in this month. So as you can see, total credits here $1,432 and by this single month from April 1st to April 26th. And now I'm going to the previous month, March 1st to March 31st, and clicking here go. Okay, and here's the history. Total credits $3,153 was the income from March. And I think okay, so let me show you the one more month here, February, and February 28th. Let's see. Okay, so here's the income story. Total credits was $2,368 on February. So my average income from Upwork is $2,000 per month. Okay, so let's move to Fiverr now. So here I'm in Fiverr and I'm going to selling and here orders, and here completed orders. So one thing to mention, as I was too busy on my private contracts and sometimes I have dedicated to Upwork, so I was not so active in Fiverr. So far in this year I have done only one contract, which is the value of $260, and I was able to complete it within a day, and it was my 1 day of income, and it is the tips. Okay, and here I'm going to show you the work history of the previous year when I joined to Fiverr. Okay, here it was the first contract on March 12th, the second contract on March 13th, and with on the second contract I was able to get a tip from the client by doing a great job. And here you can see another contract, it was $36 worthy, but I also received another 6 tip from the client. And here is a data entry project that was about converting PDF files to Excel, and I have earned $46 on March 15th. And on the same day I was able to earn from another client another $10, and on March 16th I was able to earn $26 in the contract, and it was also a PDF to Word transcription related project, and I also got a $21 tip on March 16th. And also on March 16th I was able to earn another 20, and here you can see another 15 and another 5 tips, so it's a 20, 20 and 26. So this is the work history so far on my Fiverr account. Now the question is, what you are going to learn from me? Well, as a data entry professional, I will teach you how to do data entry, which includes data conversion, entering data from sources like Yellow Page, Yelp, Manta, and some other resources. I will also teach you web research, email list building, lead generation, which includes prospects, contact info researching, LinkedIn researching, etc. Another question you might have, do I have to pay to learn from you? Answer is no. This course is full free. You can share this course link to anybody from anywhere. If you found it helpful to you, it will be helpful for others as well. So please share this video. I want to see how many people out there to share this video. After sharing, comment under the video with one word, that is share. And please feel free to let me know if you are interested to be a part of this course, if you have any question, or maybe you have some suggestions for me. To stay connected and to stay updated with new video lessons, please subscribe the channel and don't miss any videos. I am eagerly looking forward to see you in the next video. Till then, happy helping.